The Seventour S9 Pro dashcam combines a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with your smartphone for a modern driving experience. Its high-resolution display can operate in full-screen or split-screen modes, providing easy access to navigation and entertainment without obstructing your view. Equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1080-pixel rear camera, this dashcam offers comprehensive recording features, including loop recording and real-time playback on the screen. The package includes a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, so you can start using the dashcam immediately without needing to purchase additional storage. With support for Bluetooth audio output, FM transmission, and aux output, the device ensures high-quality sound through your car's speakers. Designed to fit 99% of vehicles, the easy installation process allows you to add Apple CarPlay functionality to various types of cars quickly and without hassle.